Welcome back, guys. My God, do I have a good plan for today for this video. We are going to Ozello Park. It's part of the Suncoast Keys, and I've been here about once or twice. The first time I tried to film it for y'all, like my first impression, I mean, it was really beautiful and the water was crystal clear, but I got skunked. I'm just being honest. I mean, I just did not have a good day of fishing. The tides here are really tough to fish sometimes, and I went again with Nico and we just caught a couple trout here and there, so we know they're there. And I've seen other people do well with reds and snook. So the plan is an Inshore Slam limit. So 4 trout, 1 redfish, and a slot snook. So whatever it takes, you know, live bait, artificials, we're throwing everything today. And we're gonna try and get this slam. And honestly, if we get it fast enough, I'm gonna run back home and this is gonna become a catch and cook. So stay tuned and let's go get some fish. Alright guys, we have pulled up to Ozello Park, and guys, this is one of the most beautiful places that I've ever fished by far. It's just, water clarity is really nice, the place is super beautiful. I mean, lots of mangroves, and can't complain. Looks just like South Florida, which is my favorite place to fish, so yeah. So I went by the bait shop and I picked us up about like 24 live strips so we can throw some of those too. Aside with, you know, the artificial lures I'm gonna throw and all that stuff. And the guy told me, you know, you've probably been struggling to catch snook because it usually slows down in the this part of the year because the water gets colder and stuff like that. And he's been telling me like these tides, the reason they're so low is because of the winter. So it's all starting to make sense now. But yeah, I think we can still do it. I know it's gonna be tough, but let's go ahead and go for that Inshore Slam. I'm gonna try and limit a reds, limit a trout, and then try and get a snook to finish off the slam. So yeah, let's do it. All right, boys, we have launched the kayak. The water level is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. I mean, this is low tide, so it's not too bad. We're gonna gain like another foot by the time, probably like 11 or 12. I think that's when the high tide is, or I think it's like 1. I'm not quite sure, honestly. I have to check again. But yeah, should fill up these roots of the mangroves, and that should be good for some redfish and some snook. But yeah, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and shoot over to these deeper flats that have like a deep cut through, and we're gonna try and knock out the trout first, and then we'll do reds and then snook. But honestly, you should be able to catch reds on that flat as well. It's just, I'm not really sure because I don't know this area that well. But yeah, I'll update you guys as soon as I get there. All right, so it looks like somebody lost a bobber up here, and I don't like leaving stuff in the ocean if I can do something about it, because, you know, don't want to trash the place that I love the most. So I'm gonna try and go ahead and get that. Seems like somebody lost their setup here. But we got it out, and it's actually a Cajun Thunder. It's a nice bobber. So here we go. It's our good deed for the day. And I'm gonna try and net some of this bait right here. I kind of want to make sure they're not snook or redfish first, but honestly, I think the water level is too low. Anything I really try is gonna get me caught on the bottom and or caught in a tree. So I'm gonna try and sneak up on them. But I did get something that looked like either mullet or greenback, but I'm not sure. Oh no, they're all pins. It's not what I'm looking for. Let these guys go. All right, I push a little further back. I'm gonna try and sight cast one of these reds. Just gonna have to see them before it's too late. These are all just big mullet. Sucks. Whoa, look at all those mullet. Those things are huge. Wow, dude. Man, that was nuts. All right, boys. Throwing a shrimp on a jig head on a bobber. And I'm just drifting this flat. Looks like 4 to 5 feet deep. I think my leader might be too short, but we're giving it a shot. I mean, we're getting bites. I just don't know what they are. Seems small. Seems like bait. That kind of stuff. I'm gonna be honest, guys. When my paddle floated away, you know, this guy couldn't find it, but he was really nice and he gave me this spare he had. And he told me, you know, if you find it, like, that's great. And, you know, just drop the oar off at my truck when you get back to the ramp. And he's really nice, so really thankful for that guy. But, you know, I was ready to go home, just get out of here after that. You know, I just ruined the mood. And I was like, I'm screwed. Like, there's no way I'm gonna go catch some fish now because I don't have my oar, and like, I don't want him to leave without his oar or something. But then I thought about it, and I was like, well, he just got here. There's no way he's leaving anytime soon. And, you know, shit happens. So it's like, you either give up and you don't even try, or you just make the most of what life gives you and you just keep pushing forward. So I took a cast after looking for my paddle for about an hour, and I think we got the first keeper trout here. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try and get the slam, even though the day hasn't been very fortunate so far. So yeah, keep you guys posted. So I also realized my oar was also my ruler. So today just turned into catch and release because I'm not trying to get in trouble with FWC for not having a ruler and keeping fish. So we're just gonna catch and release, but we're gonna keep count. So that's one keeper trout. He looked about like 16 inches. And yeah, we'll keep going. All right, boys, so series of unfortunate events, but we're gonna keep fishing. And here's that oar that guy let us borrow. And I changed the GoPro battery, so we're ready to go. We're gonna see if there's any more trout holding on this flat. And I'm just gonna keep going. Nothing else I can really do here, so just gonna keep trying. But at least we didn't give up, right? Still got a video to make, goddammit. All right, here we go. We're just rolling this big gambler paddle tail over these flats and waiting for a trout. Seemed to have got the bite when I cast it way in the distance over there. So we're gonna just keep doing it, because usually trout are in schools, so. We're down. There we go. Ah, it's a little baby. What is that? That is the tiniest trout I think I've ever hooked. Well, might have to go back to the the big paddle tail, because I don't want to start catching these. If we're in them, I want to catch the big guys. Oh, he grabbed it right before the boat. Oh, not these, no. God, please, no, I don't want to start catching these. Oh, man. Lizard fish are the worst. No. You just had to touch them with the pliers. So if we catch 2 more keeper trout, I'm gonna move and try and get some reds and some snook to still complete the video, like what we wanted to do. Oh my God, look at all those trout chasing it in. We pulled up to a little mangrove island. Seen some activity on it earlier, so we're gonna give it a try. Also checking these because my paddle might have drifted over here. This was the general direction it went, but it's probably long gone, but you know, it's worth checking. Well, that fish tried to eat it 2 inches away from the boat. Oh, what is that? Hello, Snooky. It's probably, if this is a trout, it's a really nice trout, man. mean, he feels hefty. This might be a snook. I think I'm gonna need to get my net ready. Unless it's a snook, I'll just lip him, but that's what I think it is. Oh, it's a nice red. Oh, it's a nice red. Look at that. Come on, buddy. It's in. Ooh. Oh my God. He hammered it. He absolutely hammered it. I mean, honestly, it doesn't get much better than this, guys. He's perfect. He's like 19, 18. It's perfect eating redfish. I mean, classic. It's just beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. Here we go. He swam off. Perfect. Well, that's two species of our slam done. Now all we need is a snook, and we completed the slam and lost on the same day we lost our paddle. So I'd say we're doing okay. Fish on. Fish on, boys. It feels like either a small red or a good trout, and he's not coming to the top, so oh, that might be a really good red. Oh, that's a trout. He's a stud, man. Yep, that is a stud trout. Oh my God. Oh, that's a huge one. Oh, he broke me off right in the boat. This has to be one of the fattest trout I've ever caught. Honestly, that's insane. All right, guys. Let me show you what this stud looks like. It's a good fish. All right, I'm having trouble grabbing him. Look at that trout. I mean, that's a fatty. Look how big he is. It's a good sized trout. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let him go. Fish on, boys. Well, my reels are seizing up because last time I kind of tipped and they dipped, so stays just getting cut short by everything, huh? It's trying. All right. Dude, I'm trying to let you go, man. Jeez. God, this one's about to be out of commission really soon. I mean, even when it's like casting, it doesn't sound good. Oh, I think we're about to be down already again. Oh my God. He hit it like a truck, but I don't know what he is. Might be a little red, I don't know. Oh, he got off. I wonder what hit it that hard, man. Let me get a higher view so I can see it. Alright guys, back in the car. Whew. Got the kayak on, heading back to the house. You know, it wasn't the day that we hoped for. You know, there's a lot of complications and a lot of unfortunate stuff. You know, the paddle drifting away and me losing it, you know, those aren't cheap, so it kind of sucks, but worse things could have happened. So kind of thankful that everything else is all right. One of my reels seized up middle of the day. I mean, you name it. You know, it's just one of those days, but we still got on some really nice trout and a nice redfish, so I can't complain. And I'm getting home pretty early, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit a video for you guys, and we are going to get that posted. So yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. I really do. Like, it means the world to me. You guys are choosing to watch fishing content from my channel and fitness content. So please enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Thanksgiving. I know it's probably going to be late because this video, there's no way it's going to get up before Thanksgiving. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a like to let me know that it's something you enjoyed. And if you find yourself watching my content often, please go ahead and consider subscribing, because it helps my channel grow and, you know, it lets me know that I'm getting more viewers. So until next time guys, peace.